Alright, hey guys, it's James McAwee back again, and this is another unboxing video, and let me show you what I got. As you can see, I just bought myself Wii Fit U. Yep, let me just move the camera up a bit. Yep, this was my late Christmas present. I've been waiting for this all day. It just released. And this is going to be unboxing it. Yep. And you see, I've played the original Wii Fit, but I haven't played Wii Fit Plus. But I'm excited to play this one. Let's just open it up. Yeah. Forgive me if this takes time. Yeah, 'cause I'm kind. Yeah. Yep. Forgive me if it takes time. Yep, there we go. And let's just get this thing open. Yep. Okay, so here, sorry about that. Here's a little pedometer, so you can keep track of your fitness outside of Wii Fit U. And it actually works with the Wii U. And it has this thing that you can put on your belt. And let's get this out. Yeah, it's also. Here's the game itself, Wii Fit U. Yep, and it works with Wii Balance Board, Gamepad, Pedometer, Wiimote, and Wiimote Plus, and Nunchuck. And now let's get this thing out. Get everything else out. Forgive me if this takes some time, because I can't seem to get this big thing out here. Out of here. Get out and get this thing out. Yep. Yep. A brand new balance board, and of course, just like the old one, it just says Wii on it. And here's some. Here's an instruction guide. And here are some batteries to start with. Yep. I might just put the packaging in storage. Let's see. Oh, here are some extra things for the feet. Yeah. I might just put the box into storage. So yeah, that's my unboxing of Wii Fit U. So and I hope you all like this video, and be sure to check out my channel for more videos. So thanks to you all for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Take care.